Hi, good morning children. How are you all? Hope so all are fine and safe at home. Okay. So everyone take care of your health along with your parents. Okay children. So see, 4th standard. Today we will start with our English. Everyone are ready with your textbook. So this is your English textbook, 4th standard. So let's revise once what we have completed till now. Okay. We have started with our first unit. Do everyone remember? Yeah, very good. See, we have started with your first unit. I have completed your first lesson, first poem, second lesson, third lesson, and now comes the fourth lesson. Okay, a book of science. Can you see your own book of science? Now today I will be taking only part 1. The next period or next lecture you will have your part 2. Okay children, are you all ready? Yeah, very good. Take out your textbook now. See, I'll be reading the activity for you. This is an experiment, you can say. Okay children, this is an experiment which you have to do yourself. I'll tell you how to do. You just perform and see with the help of your parents. Okay? Yeah, very good. So all are ready with me? All are okay with me if I take part 1 today? Okay, very good. So see, here page number 7. Everyone take out your page number 7. So this is your page number 7. I am starting with your 4th topic, that is your own book of science. Okay children. So see, what this topic means is, it is an experiment given over here. So all of you are thinking, I am also thinking that how in English science comes. Okay, in science it is easy that experiments are there. But how in English science? So see, English is also connected with science. Okay children. So see, this is your own book, means तुमच्या स्वतःची. ठीक है, योर ओन मीन्स तुमच्या स्वतःची बुक. बुक म्हणजे एक पुस्तक. ठीक है, समजतंय? सी, दिस इज योर ओन बुक ऑफ साइंस. ठीक है, आपका जो बुक है उसको क्या, साइंस की बुक, मतलब एक छोटी नोटबुक. एक यू हैव टू टेक योर स्मॉल नोटबुक. ओके, इन दैट यू कैन राइट योर स्मॉल एक्सपेरिमेंट्स. After some years you can see that I have written this. Okay, now some children's I don't have that, but some children's may have this habit. Okay, they always write all things in the separate notebook, that what they did from morning till they sleep. Okay, I just recollect when I sleep, but they write each and everything, that today in class I have done this, and mom, teacher scolded me. Okay, and mom shout me that mom also shouted me, and she did a good breakfast for me. Till sleeping, what all things you have done, that all everything you list down. Okay, some children have this habit. This is a good habit children. When you write everything in your notebook, after some years when you grow up, you can read again that what all things I have done. Okay, so see, this is your own book of science. In science book you can't write my teacher scolded me, my teacher beat me. No, you can't write, isn't it children? So your own book of science means in that book you can make a 100 pages book. It is not compulsory, just I am telling you, if you want you can make. Okay, it is good habit. You should keep. My children's, my little stars children should be very good. Okay, they should have good habits, good manners. Okay, so I am telling you. Okay, you can make 100 pages notebook. There you can write your small experiments. However, one experiment is given over here, you can write over there. Okay children. Now see, I'll be reading this and experiment for you. You just look into your textbook, then I'll explain. Okay, you understood what is the name of your lesson? Your own book of science means तुमची स्वतःची book. कशाची? Science ची. In that you will be writing all your experiments. Okay, so let's start. Let's read with you all. Put your finger on each word and read along with me. Okay children, your own book of science. You may come across simple but amazing science experiments in magazines, newspapers, supplements, or on the internet. Collect any 5 to 8 experiments you like. Ask your parents or teachers whether the experiments are safe. Then carry out the experiments. If necessary, take the help of your parents and teachers. Record the experiments on separate sheets in your own book of science. An example is given below. So what they are telling over here, that you have to make a book. Okay, and you have to Google, or from your science you may be having journals. Not now, but after growing little bit. you can make from your from internet. You can do from your internet. Okay children, you can just surf on your internet, see small experiments. I am not telling big experiments. So they are telling that list any 5 to 8 experiments and just ask your teachers. Now teachers are not available with you, so you can ask your parents that is it safe, which are safe experiments, you can experiment it, isn't it? Now as you are all at home, you can't go to play also, so you can do this. It's very interesting, isn't it children? So everyone do this, see experiments, see 8 to 10 experiments from your internet. Just ask your parents if it is safe or not, and if it is safe, you all perform that and then just list it down, okay, in your own book of science. So what you will name that book? Book of science, okay. See, an example is given over here. A simple experiment, lifting ice. If you want to lift ice without touching it, what do you do? Okay, read on to find out. See, if it is a simple experiment you are given over here, lifting ice. Lifting ice, you can lift it with your hand, but here is a twist. See, if you want to not lift with your hand, then how you will lift the ice? How we can lift? We don't have magic, isn't it? Then our science will help us, okay. See, with the help of science, we can lift the ice without touching with our hand, okay. Let's see how. What you need is, what all things you need. See what all materials you need. Ice cubes, thread and common salt. What all you need? This all you have at your home. You just have to fill up the tray of your ice cubes. Just fill it with water. Keep in your fridge. After 6 to 8 hours, you can take out ice cube from it, isn't it? So this you have ice cubes. Then is thread, normal thread which we use to stitch. Thread and common salt. Common salt means which we use for cooking. Same salt, okay. Then how to do it? What you do? Place an ice cube in a dish. Place a piece of thread on it. Sprinkle some common salt on, and near the thread on the ice cube. Wait for few seconds. Hold the two ends of the thread and pick them up carefully. What happens? Try placing the thread in different ways to lift the ice. You can place just one end of the thread on the ice cube and lift the ice with the other end. So what is given over here? What all things you need? Ice cube, thread and common salt, okay. Now what you have to do? Take an ice cube in your plate. Normal plate, any plate, okay. You have to take an ice cube, keep there. You have to spread the thread. This much length thread you have to spread over ice cube, okay, and just sprinkle common salt, okay, and just wait for few seconds. You have to wait. After sprinkling the white common salt, then wait, then lift the two ends, both the ends of the thread. You can see, you can lift that ice without touching your hand, okay. You understood this experiment? It's very easy, very simple, and these all things you have, okay. And if you wish, you should do and see. If it is possible, you should do, isn't it children? See, take an ice cube in your plate, spread a thread on it and sprinkle some common salt. After a few seconds, just lift the ice. Then you can tell your mom that I lifted ice without touching my hand, isn't it? Then she will ask you how you did this, how you can do this. Then you have to show it to her. Then she will say, yeah, my child is very, very intelligent, isn't it? So do this experiment, list down 5 to 8 experiments and write in your book of science, okay children? Will everyone do this? Yeah, very good. Now see, the second part of this lesson will be taught in your next class, okay. So read this and do this experiment, and if you wish, you can make your own book of science, okay. You understood?